Welcome to my channel everyone, I'm Key. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this flower bag. The material I'm using in this video is color red and brown 8-ply yarn and 3.5 mm hook. Before we start the tutorial, can I please have you like the video and subscribe for more crochet tutorials? Thank you. Let's start the magic circle. Wrap yarn on your finger like this and use your thumb and ring finger to hold the ends. Pull the yarn through, chain 1, and it's magic circle. Now we need to crochet 8 single crochets in a magic circle. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull the yarn tight. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Chain 1. For second round, make 2 single crochets in same stitch. So 2 single crochets in first stitch. Please repeat in making 2 single crochets in every stitch to finish the round. Now you have 16 single crochets in total. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Chain 1. For round 3, make 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochets in the second stitch. So far we have 3 single crochets in 2 stitches. So following we repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet in 1 stitch and 2 single crochets for the following stitch. Please repeat the pattern and finish the round. After 24 single crochets, snip stitch to the first stitch to join around and chain 1. Round 4, 1 single crochet for the first stitch, 2 single crochets for the second stitch, and 1 single crochet for the third stitch. That's one set. 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochets in the same stitch and 1 single crochet. So repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet for 1 stitch and 2 single crochets in the second stitch and 1 single crochet for the third stitch. Follow this pattern and finish the round. After 32 single crochets, snip stitch to join around to the first stitch. Chain 1. The pattern for this round is 1 single crochet in each stitch for the first 3 stitches, 1 single crochet for second stitch, 1 single crochet for third stitch, 2 single crochets for the fourth stitch. So following, I'm going to show you the pattern one more time. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Please repeat the pattern and finish the round. Same again after 40 single crochets, snip stitch to join around and chain 1. Round 6, 1 single crochet for the first stitch, 1 single crochet for the second stitch, and 2 single crochets for third stitch. 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet. The pattern for this round is 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. So let me show you the pattern one more time. So 1 single crochet for 1 stitch, 1 single crochet for next stitch, and 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet for the next stitch. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. I got 2 stitches left, so 1 single crochet, last stitch 1 single crochet, and slip stitch to join the round. Round 7, 1 single crochet for first stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet for the next stitch, 1 single crochet for the next stitch, 1 single crochet for the next stitch, and make 2 single crochets in the 6th stitch. The pattern for this round is make 5 single crochets for the first 5 stitches and 2 single crochets in the 6th stitch. Let's repeat the pattern one more time. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. That's 5 single crochets. And make 2 single crochets for the 6th stitch. Repeat the pattern and finish the round. After 56 single crochets, slip stitch to join to the first stitch. And 1. Round 8, make 1 single crochet for the first stitch first. Pull the yarn longer, pull the yarn back. This is a double crochet. So first double crochet you can use chain 3 instead. You just only need to crochet 1 double crochet in every stitch and finish the round. After 56 double crochets, slip stitch to the first stitch to join the round and chain 1 after that. Round 9, chain 1 and yarn over hook. Now we are going to crochet back post half double crochet inside the hook like this. So on top of the first double crochet, insert the hook from back and go through like that. Pull the yarn back. So this is front post half double crochet. If you are a beginner, I suggest to have pin on the first stitch so you know where to join later. And let you focusing on the video. So make 1 back post half double crochet in every stitch. Please use this pattern and finish the round. It will look like this after you finish the round, and slip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1, yarn over hook, make a half double crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, yarn over hook and skip 1 stitch, and to the next stitch make 1 front post double crochet. And make a half double crochet for the next stitch. The stitch is here, make sure you not insert the hook in that stitch. So make half double crochet. You can see from back here, you skipped 1 stitch. Make sure you insert the hook to the right stitch. Chain 1. Now we are going to skip 1 stitch. This stitch is no stitch we just crocheted, and the following stitch is the stitch we need to skip. So you count from here, 1, 2, the second stitch. Make a front post double crochet, yarn over hook, and you count from back, skip this stitch, and this is the stitch that you need to insert the hook here. Make half double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over hook, count from here 1, 2, 3, make front post front post double crochet, and skip 1 stitch, make half double crochet in the next stitch. Please follow this pattern and finish the round, and slip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. This round we are going to repeat yarn over hook, make half double crochet from the first stitch, chain 1. From this round will be so easy, you just make front post double crochet in the front post double crochet, and in a half double crochet stitch make a half double crochet stitch and chain 1, just repeating this pattern. The pattern for this round is make 1 half double crochet on top of the half double crochet stitch and chain 1, and make front post double crochet in the front post double crochet. Using this pattern to make round 11 to round 20. If you want the size to be longer, then you can make more than 20 rounds. It's up to you. Please follow this pattern until round 20. This is how it looks like after you crochet round 20. So the body part of the bag is finished. Following, we are going to make the flower part. I'm going to separate the tutorial to 2 parts. The next video I'm going to crochet the flower part. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss out the part 2. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.